What's up, everyone? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious pumpkin soup with grilled cheese. Yes, pumpkin soup. So this right here are the ingredients that we need. So we need thyme, garlic. I'm using yellow onion. You can use white onion, red onion, shallots, whatever you want. And obviously salt, black pepper, pumpkin, and olive oil. Let's go. Okay, so let's start with our cutting board. And I'm gonna be using one of the best knife in the market right now. Link in the bio if you need one, okay? This is 2/3 of a pumpkin right here, okay? So I'm gonna obviously take off the skin. Okay, boom. So I'm gonna take the seed, just take the skin off like that, and then cut them in cubes. So we're gonna cut the onion skin off, half. Boom, just cut the ends, just like that. So now with the onion, we're just gonna cut it in half. Okay, and then we're gonna cut it like this, like that, and like so. And we're gonna put it in this area over here. Then, bada bing, bada boom, bada period. Period. So this garlic right here, I know it's small, but we're gonna use the whole thing, okay? This way, not that way. Okay, boom, there we go. Perfecto. We need a baking tray, and don't judge this one. I know, she's been through a lot, I know. But it's my favorite one. So this one is not so thick, as you can see, very thin, but I love it. I love it. You don't need no baking sheet. You don't need that, okay? Boom, just like that, right in there. Yes, right in there. Now, I'm gonna be using extra virgin olive oil, okay? Now, you can use olive oil or avocado oil, is really good too. So I'm just gonna spread this around, coat everything up, coat it up, girl. Ooh, it went on the table, my bad. I'm a mess, I'm sorry. Black pepper, because hello. There we go. Salt. Yes. Put some on top. The beautiful thyme, or thyme, whatever you call it. Just literally take it piece by piece and dump it on top, just like that. This will give it a nice flavor. Let me let you know about that. Oh, come on. Now, while I'm doing this, I set the oven to 375, okay? 375. Coat everything. Be careful with the garlics. Oh my gosh, I didn't want that. Anyway, it's okay. Okay, so I just took it off the oven. I broiled it. As you can see, it has some nice brown color going on. Look at that. We're going to blend it, yes. So I waited till it's cooled down because it's easier. You know, we got here a blender. Let's put it in there, okay? Put everything in there. Garlic, just squeeze it. Squeeze it. Not like that, okay? Thank God it did not fall. Oh my God. Blooper. Anyway, literally squeeze it out, okay? Look, you see that? Squeezing. Boom. Ooh. And just do it one by one. Ooh, my God, look at that. Anyway, man, it's not as easy as you think. Look at that pumpkin. Look at that glaze. Woo, man. Okay, so I'm gonna add about 1/3 of a cup of chicken broth. You can definitely use vegetable broth if you're vegan, or you can do beef if you want to do beef. It's up to you, whatever you want. If you want it more loose, add more. If you want it more thicker, add less. It's up to you, okay, at this point. Okay, so now pop the lid. Come on, girl, come on. Thank you. And then blend it, okay? Okay, I want to show you guys. Different camera. Let's go. Here we go. I'm gonna pulse it. Look at that. So now, you can definitely have it cold if you want to, but I'm gonna warm it up. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Turn this on. Woo! Fire! She's a little thick, but like I say, you can add more chicken stock if you want it less thicker. It's up to you. Just add more chicken stock in there. Okay, because we don't want to lose those flavors. Mix it and dump it back in here. Boom. You can go ahead and taste it. If you want more salt, add more salt. Add more black pepper, garlic powder if you want to. But to me, it's perfect. It is perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Let's make the grilled cheese, okay? Okay, so for the bread, I'm gonna be using Italian loaf by Aldi's. I love this bread. Super simple. We just need 2 slices, just like that. 2 slices. And I don't have sharp cheddar, so I'm gonna be using mustard or Munster cheese, whatever you call it. So it fits perfectly. So I'm gonna cut this, put it more up. You see, it's kind of like a puzzle, okay? There we go. Boom, you see? Perfecto. Yes, done. And then you can use butter. I'm gonna use spray. Cooking spray, not hairspray. Thank you. Just put it right in there. Super simple. Okay, let's flip it. Not so crunchy, but it's okay. We'll flip it again. Ooh, mama. I always recommend to drizzle a little bit of heavy cream just on top like that. I know, it's a mess. I know, but hear me out. It's good. It gives it a nice creaminess to it, okay? Don't judge it before you try it. Don't judge it before you try it. Delicious. Too good. That sauce. You see my sauce over here? Haha. Try it out, guys. I recommend it. It's really good. Really good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace. Let me know if you're gonna make it, okay? Bye.